Hi everyone, so in the last video we learned how to index and select the rows from a pandas data frame with the index operator iloc. And in this video we will index not only rows but also columns with the iloc operator. But first of all we import pandas and we import our Summer Olympic Games medal data set, and we have a look at the first 5 rows, so no surprise here. And what we already learned, we can, for example, select the very first row at index position 0 with the iloc operator by passing here the index position 0. And we get here as a pandas series the first row of our pandas data frame. And now let's assume we only want to have the name of the athlete of the first row. Then we can in addition slice also for the athlete. So we make a comma here. So the first position within the brackets here is for the index position of our rows, and the second position here is for the index positions of our columns we want to select. So here we want to select the athlete column, and we have to apply position-based indexing same as with lists and numpy arrays and matrices. So our year column has the index position 0, 1, 2, 3, and our athlete column has the index position 4. And here we get the athlete of the very first medal, and it's Alfred Hayos. So now what if we want to select for the first row the columns year, city and sport? So let's copy it and paste it. So we want to slice for the column at index position 0, 1 and 2. So with zero-based indexing we have to slice from index position 0 until index position 3 excluding. So and here we get the year, the city and the sport column for our very first row. So it's 1996 in Athens and it's aquatics. And with the iloc operator it works exactly in the same way as selecting and slicing numpy arrays. So the first position is for the row index position and the second position is for the column index position, and zero indexing applies as well. And if we slice, the starting point is including and the ending point is excluding. And we can also pass a list. So let's copy and paste here. And let's say we want again the first row, but we want to have column at index position 2, 4, 6 and 8. So let's see what we get here. So the column at index position 2 is sport, it's aquatics. The column at index position 4 is athlete, Alfred Hayos. The column at index position 6 is gender, so he's a man. And the column at index position 8 is the kind of medal, it's the gold medal. Yeah, and we can also make some more complex queries, so there's no limit on this. So for example, we want to have the columns here 2, 4, 6 and 8. But we want to have the rows from index position 34 including until index position, let's say 39 excluding. And here we can see we get the column sport, athlete, gender and medal for the rows from index position 34 until 38 including. And with the iloc operator we can also select columns, so complete columns. So let's check it here, summer.iloc. And we can say we want for all rows, we want to have column 4 here. So we get here column 4, which is athlete. And now we can check if this is the same as selecting a column with the attribute athlete. So we ask if summer.iloc all rows and the fourth column is equal to summer.athlete. And that's true. And we already learned that we can alternatively also slice for the athlete column by having athlete in spare brackets after summer. So that's also possible. So we have here 3 alternatives. However, if I only want to slice for a column, I would never use here the iloc. So summer.athlete is shorter and better actually. Alright, so let's again slice here with the spare brackets to have it complete. So that's the third alternative. And with this, we are finished now with this session, and in the next session, we will learn the index operator loc. So hope to see you there. Bye.